Mr. Kardi and everyone. I'm Panca Chandra, and with my friend Michelle Eileen, we created this project named Elysian. And well, the project idea was an app for students to combine the capability of calendar, organizer, and notes into one. So yeah, basically calendar, agenda, and notes. And the target is to be very simple, very easy to use, simple, helpful, and no frills. And we haven't works with Google Calendar and Apple Calendar. That's the main target, the previous target. But the obstacles that we found out was saving and loading can be very hideous, especially we like when we try to save and load, we could not find the best way to save and load the notes other than .txt, because other type of files will create something. When we load the file, it will change something by putting like commas in there and or brackets. And for the calendar, we have not also figured out the way to show the calendar without being hidden inside the button. So that's the user can more easily pick and see the dates. But oh wait, I'm sorry. What can it do right now is basically this. So I can show you.
You can
I can just show you. Wait. Okay. Can you see my screen? Okay. So wait, I will just restart my console so nothing weird happens. All right. So this is it's very simple at first, but yeah, it looks very simple. Well, there are 6 buttons in total. There's calendar. We pick the dates. For example, May 27. When you pick it, it shows the date here, and you can open notes. When there's no notes, there's no notes today, but I can write it. This is a note for May 27, and I can save it, and I can open it. There's the note. But that's very simple, right? We can just save and load the txt like you said, like you just earlier, actually today. But we can also do the agenda. So we have, for example, class 2 at 11:30. I can add new agenda like class 3 at 12:30, and then it shows here. But this is something that I work actually last night. So from here, you can actually select the agenda. So we can go up and down. And if we want to delete something, for example, I want to delete class 2, right? But we can just pick it out, going up and down. So I want to delete class 2. So I just select this and delete. And when I click agenda, class 2 is gone. And when I think about students, I think one of the simplest way, one of the most helpful way for students is to find information, right? And because this app is mainly targeted for students, I and Aileen tried to make Eli. So Eli is actually a virtual assistant as well. It's very similar to Joy's virtual assistant, but it can do some other things that that Joyce might not be able to. So for example,
Good afternoon.
I will share. Wait.
I am your assistant.
I will share the sound.
For 1.0. What should I call you?
I haven't shared the sound. Okay. I will share the sound so you can.
None.
Oh.
How can I help you?
All right. Okay. So it should be running. So I can click Eli.
Good afternoon. I am your assistant. It's good to know that you're fine. Core 1.0.
Oh wow. Wait, hold on. There's the app that I ran earlier is actually still running. Okay. This should be okay. Yep. Okay. Eli.
Good afternoon. Thanks for giving me your time.
Oh,
I am your
it is weird.
assistant. Coral 1.0. What should I call you?
Max.
Welcome. Max. How can I help you?
What is the weather today?
In what city?
In New York. My internet might be a little bit weird. Oh, it should load. Oh wow, the internet. Huh. It should be able to. I just tried earlier. Wait. Is it not running? Let's try again. Oh well, yeah. There's still some bugs like that.
It's fine.
Good afternoon. I am your assistant. Coral 1.0. What should I call you?
Max. Max.
Welcome.
Okay.
None.
Oh, it didn't get my name.
How can I help you?
What is the weather today?
In what city?
London. London. Oh.
The temperature is 284.09 Kelvin with atmospheric pressure of 1014 H.P.A. and humidity at 84%. It is scattered clouds in London.
What is the weather today?
In what city?
Surabaya. Oh,
The temperature is 290.97 Kelvin with atmospheric pressure of 1016 H.P.A. and humidity at 61%. It is clear sky and none.
oh. Yeah, that's weird. What is the integral of sine square x?
X cos 2x.
Yes. What is the integral of 5 divided by square root of 7 square x?
Integral 5x sqrt 72 dx equals 5x2 14 plus constant.
And it actually can also do other things like, what is robot? Oh, maybe it does not hear me.
City population 577,827 people. Country rank 7th 2014 estimate. Metro area population 1.754 million people. Rabat metro area 2007 estimate.
Goodbye.
Thanks for giving me your time.
And it goes back to the previous app. Yes, that's it.
Yeah, impressive. So,
That's why it actually, I said robot, but it actually recognized it as robot, and it's a city. I don't know. Yeah, that's why.
yeah, that's my pronunciation problem.
Yeah.
So,
it,
what is your comment or question to Panca?
Actually, it was very impressive because the program can do many things.
Mm.
I was wondering how many modules did you install, Panca?
A few,
Like for the
but
program to work like that.
there's one module that actually can do a lot of things.
Oh, okay.
But it's actually an API, and you have to make
Yeah.
API key in order for it to work.
Oh, that's cool. This is really cool.
Yeah. The real one is in the server, so it's just the user interface, isn't it?
Yes. Well, it just pulls the info from server and just reading it back to you.
So very good. Yeah, impressive, right? So for the final one, can you make a unit test automatic?
Yes. But sir, I think the unit test, because ours is actually a notes and it can takes anything.
You
So
can
I don't know
put
what
it
we should do
inside.
with the
Unit test. For example, if it is a node, so you set a predefined node. Okay, for example, the date and so on, and you can put it inside, and then save it, and then test if the saving file is actually the same. And then when you load it back, whether the text there is actually the same as what you inputted.
Oh, yes. Okay.
So
Actually something like,
yes. So the my auto GUI, I think you can use that.
yes. Okay. So
Exactly the same like what you just did demonstrate
so
today. Okay. And then
and-
for each class and its function, you probably want to test also. And
okay.
the test means you already know what is the answer, right? And then
Yes.
so that it works. So next time when you want to modify, you want to refactor, okay, then you can do it with confidence.
Yes. Okay.
So at this point, don't focus on improving the features. So please improve the unit test.
Unit test. Okay.
Yeah. And then, if possible, can you make it into classes? Okay. After
The
you
unit test.
no, the unit test is surely class, but your code
Oh, it's already in
class.
define. Yes, in functions. So
Exactly.
actually
So
call some functions here, like select agenda.
okay.
And the
So
function is
the
here.
problem is if you use function, so it's a functional, right? Can you create a class and then put them into put those functions into a class?
Into a class. Okay. Yes. Oh.
Okay. At least one class. So if you have a
Yes.
per class, that's
Yeah. Right now it doesn't have any class yet. Just all functions. Yeah.
right. So if you can make it so into class and then the unit test. So these are the things for practice, no? So that you know, oh, this is how you make the class, right? And how you do automatic testing. That's the point in this learning. Okay. So the program that you make is impressive. Okay.
Okay, sir.